What's the meaning of all-inclusive? All-inclusive. 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 All-inclusive.
The term all-inclusive is used to describe a type of pricing model typically associated with vacation packages. When a vacation package is described as all-inclusive, it means that the price paid up front covers all expenses associated with the trip, including lodging, meals, drinks, activities, and sometimes even airfare. This type of pricing model is popular with travelers who want to minimize the hassle of planning and budgeting for their trip. By paying one price, they can enjoy a stress-free vacation without having to worry about unexpected expenses or surprises.